Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to embed Pinterest pin in WordPress. Why would you want to know how to embed a Pinterest pin in WordPress? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to embed a Pinterest pin in WordPress. So today I am going to show you how to embed a Pinterest pin in WordPress. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Embedding a Pinterest pin in WordPress is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will embed Pinterest pin in WordPress. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to posts in the left menu, and then click on add new. Now in this screen, first enter your post and click on add block and search Pinterest. And now copy a post link from Google and then paste your URL here and click on embed and now click on publish. So there you go. If you were wondering how to embed a Pinterest pin in WordPress, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.